Alright, boys and girls, we're out here for the last time with the ONAGOfly. One of the biggest turds in history so far. But I'm going to send it off to somebody to see if they can make it right. Okay? But this is going to be the last flight for me. I won't buy another one, so you'll never see this thing on my channel again. I'm still not getting any GPS, so I guess the GPS module, it might have a solder point grounding out or something like that, but the guy will open it up and he'll figure it out. There went the app, just crashed again. This is the thing about this thing is, if you happen to get one of these, always fart around with the app a little bit before you take off, because the app will crash. But in the defense of that, it will recover if you just hurry up and load it back up. It'll kind of resume where it left off. Okay, so I'm going to start the video. So it's recording. It has the light there. It shows that it's recording. So let's go with it. Now, I found out when I took it out for that flight the other day that it flies a lot better in the tilting of the phone mode. I don't want to mess around with it too much because I don't want to tear it up for the guy that's getting it, so, except right there. But it's in the soft grass, so it's not going to hurt nothing. Oh, the app crashed. That's why it fell out of the sky, because the app crashed. This grass is soft as butter, so it's not going to hurt anything. It's not even going to break a prop or nothing. But that's another thing about this. The app crashes a lot. So you hit the takeoff button. It's just not a good flyer. Okay, it's just not good. And that thing just flew back and cracked me in the leg. It smarted a little bit because this thing has got a little. Hold on, my. It just falls. It just loses altitude, and it falls in the grass. Even if you push up on the stick, it's like if it's determined to crash, it's going to crash, whether you like it or not. Okay. It says, "I'm crashing, motherfucker. Get out of my way." Okay, we're crashing here. Screw you. Take a fucking hike. We're crashing. Okay. But like I said, it flies better in the tilt, but you got to make sure you have the tilt flat when you start it, or it's going to go in the, say I started it with the phone tipped that way, then it's going to take off that way. So yep, there went the app, crashed again. It's just not that good, guys. Of course, it doesn't have any GPS lock either. It's just flying on whatever. See, it just comes down and takes a dump. This could be the turd of the century, okay? I'm talking worldwide turd. Oh boy, what a waste of money. Okay, let's give it another shot. I'm very persistent here. I'm gonna keep trying until I'm still got 75% battery, so I'm gonna keep farting around with it here and see if I can get it to do something. I just don't want the flyaway, that's all. I just want to keep it in real close here. But this way you guys can really see for yourself how big it, there it goes. See, it just starts going down, you know, for no reason. Oh, this is an exercise in frustration, to say the very least. Now I got grass stains on here that I'm going to have to clean it up for this poor guy I'm sending it to. And the app just crashed again. Well, this thing's a real piece of magic. ONAGOfly. Onago turd. It does that toilet bowl. That's you gotta constantly be adjusting that because there's no GPS, you know. And you don't have to calibrate it. It does the self-calibration when you turn it on. You know, you hold it through the. You just have it on a level service whenever you're starting it up. Whenever you turn it on, you keep it on a level surface and it'll self-calibrate. You know, I'm not flying it around. There's some kitty over there, some baseball kitty. All right, that's enough for the last flight. I'll just bring it down. And of course the app crashed. And so did that. So that's the end of that thing. Alright, ONAGOfly. Take a flying leap to Texas. And you can take a dump there. Alright, boys. I'll talk to you later.